Hi, my name is Subhash. I'm the CEO of the Blue Rhine group of companies. We work with a lot of international brands like Nike, Adidas, Under Armour. We work with some local jewelry groups like Malabar Gold, and we do a lot of fashion brands as well. We started in 2003 in UAE, and later we expanded in KSA, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, and in the last 2 years back, we established in Egypt. We do static signages, we do digital signage. So based on the customer requirement, we create a customer experience.
I'm Nito Dedra, and I'm the Director of Strategy at Blue Rhine Industries. As part of Blue Rhine Industries' digital transformation journey, we've been looking into a range of different software solutions to be able to help us raise operational efficiency, reduce cost, and raise productivity.
Hi, I'm Denny. I'm the IT manager of Blue Rhine Industries. It was quite a smooth transition from AutoCAD to ZWCAD. So they were used with the same shortcut keys and everything. They were comfortable with switching to ZWCAD. It was a smooth transition for us.
Previously, I was using the AutoCAD. But when I started using ZWCAD, it is like pretty much similar to the AutoCAD. So various times our client sends some heavy files to us, like in the drawing format, or we have to convert the PDF to the AutoCAD. That time it worked quite pretty fast.
In terms of giving us a trial, in terms of supporting, giving us each and every time a demo, whenever the users face a criticality, they were there to help us because of this transition. So we were able to adapt to our India team, including the additional 3D features as well.
ZWCAD's integration capability really allows us to deploy the solution with ease into the business. That means minimum disruption, we're able to continue business as usual. The solution is a perpetual license, which means that our recurring costs are reduced. So in terms of our OPEX spend, we're able to bring that right down, and we're just paying for an AMC. It's been an invaluable contributor to the success of our mega projects within the region, where we're fabricating world-class signage.